Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna talk about drugstore makeup that feels expensive, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Sarah Rose did recently film a video like this and it was so amazing and so fun, so I decided to film one as well. We have some drugstore gems in here, I really love them, so let's start in random order with the BH Cosmetics palettes. So in this video I do have great formulas and pretty good packaging as well, and these are no exception to that. They are amazing. I'm actually wearing some shades from this palette on my eyes today. I will list, like always, everything that I have on my face in the description box, but these are amazing. I really love the Lost in Los Angeles. This is a Pastel Dream palette, so it is amazing. I really love it. And the Do Not Disturb as well. It is a blue and purple palette and it is very, very beautiful as well. Really good quality, and the packaging, it is pretty sturdy cardboard, and it is from the drugstore, at least in the US. I know that in Europe this is not a drugstore brand technically, but it is a drugstore price, so I wanted to include them in here. I hope that BH Cosmetics will keep the really good formula. I really want to try the new small palettes, but they are not available at a Beauty Bay, but these old palettes are still available last time I checked, and they are amazing, so I will test BH in the future as well. But the old formula, it is amazing, so I think they will keep that, and I think Makeup Revolution will maybe incorporate that good formula in their palettes, which is amazing because the BH Cosmetics formula, it's very, very good. The next product I think Sarah Rose did mention as well, and is this E.L.F No Budge Shadow Stick. I have the shade Copper Chic, and it is an eyeshadow in a stick basically. I don't love products like this because I love doing a more complex eyeshadow look, let's say, but for a one and done eyeshadow look, this is amazing. The formula is really nice, the packaging is very sturdy, it looks pretty expensive in my opinion. You have a sharpener at the end, and it is a really nice product from the drugstore. Next one is more like a general category, and that is drugstore eyeliners. They are amazing. You don't need to splurge on colorful liners, really. They are very good. So I have 4 formulas in here to just mention. The LA Girl formula, but in here the formula is not that consistent. So the shade Fresh, one of my favorites. Then I have this Bourjois blue color. It is the shade, where is the shade? It is the shade Sea Blue Soon. And then I have a purple one from Maybelline, is the tattoo liner in the shade Rich Amethyst. And the last one is the Berry M. The shade is the shade Strobe Light, probably that is the shade, and it is this very beautiful green. These eyeliner are very nice, very good quality, so I really wanted to put them in here. You don't need to splurge on high-end liners. The next product is this amazing Physicians Formula liquid eyeliner. I have the shade Blackest Black, and this is an amazing liner, really. It is a very good formula. It is very black, wears great. I adore it, really. And the packaging is so luxe in my opinion because it has these drops of water, because it is a waterproof liner. It's so nice and so expensive looking in my opinion. So the packaging is luxe, the formula is amazing. Again, you don't need to splurge on liquid liners either. This is amazing. Then we have something for the lips. I do have a lipstick in here, and this is the Essence Semi Matte in the shade number 3 Bold. And in my eyes, this is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk shade, or at least a very similar shade and a very good formula. I really love this lipstick. The packaging is very lax in my opinion. You have this plastic top that it is white, and then you have a rose gold component, and when you twist it, it's really hard to twist. It's not, I don't know how to say, loosely packaged or something like that. When you twist, you feel like you twist a real good quality lipstick, and I love this shade, I love this lipstick. It is very good quality, so I want to mention it in here as well because it is very, very good and very affordable. Next we have this NYX This Is Milky Gloss. I have the shade Salted Caramel Shake. This smells like a dream, and it is the same color as the lipstick. You got this frosted packaging, and it feels so luxe, and the formula is so amazing, and it smells so delicious. I think this is my favorite formula of a pigmented gloss because, for example, I do have this Clarins lip oil, which is very, very nice, and I like the color. Is a more purplish shade, but this is a more watery formula. It is a lip oil though, so that's the reason. But if I'm choosing something with a color, I prefer something like this, something thicker than a lip oil. This is amazing. I really love it, and the packaging is very stunning, and the formula, it is amazing. And then I have something for the complexion, and this is the Essence Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer. Again, very beautiful, simple packaging from the drugstore, but this is actually glass, and you get a pump, and the product is very beautiful as well. Very nice on the skin, hydrating, glowy, really good formula as well, and the packaging is so nice. I really love this product, and the packaging is so nice. Essence did an amazing job with this one. It is a bit unexpected from the drugstore really to have a pump and a glass bottle. It is really nice, and in the same area we have the Catrice True Skin Foundation. This as well, it is a glass bottle, and it has a pump, and the pump is great as well. It works great, and I really like this packaging. It is similar to the Essence one, to the lipstick. It is a rose gold packaging, and it feels very luxe, very heavy foundation, and very good formula as well. This is a more skin-like foundation in my opinion. Very good foundation from the drugstore. It is a hit. And the next product, it is the NYX Bare With Me Concealer Serum. I have the shade Light. In the Catrice foundation I have the shade 004. And this concealer, it is a plastic component, but I love this packaging because you get a pump and you can see how much product it's left in this packaging because this pump is going up, and it is a clear component, so you can see. And I love the formula as well. It's a more lightweight and glowy concealer, but it's not sticky or shiny or something like that. It is very good from the drugstore, and the packaging is amazing. And the last product that I really want to recommend is the Revolution Bronzer. This packaging is not that expensive or that luxe feeling, but it's still a good plastic component. It's pretty sturdy in my opinion, but I love this formula. It is a really good cream bronzer, very creamy, very easy to blend out, and the packaging, like I said, feels very sturdy. So I really wanted to put this one in the video as well. Okay, so these were all the products. I really want in 2023 to try even more drugstore, and E.L.F is actually available on Beauty Bay now, and I want to buy a lot of stuff from E.L.F because in Romania we had only the older products. And yeah, I really want in 2023 to try even more drugstore because you can find some really good products, some gems in the drugstore aisles, so you don't need to splurge. And yeah, I really like drugstore makeup. So I hope this video was fun, and if you liked it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.